Ever wondered what financial success looks like? It's not just about having a mountain of cash. No, my friends, it's more nuanced than that. Financial success is a journey, a voyage, a trek into the uncharted territories of fiscal stability, growth, and freedom. It's about having the means to live the life you want, without the constant worry of whether you can afford it or not. Now you might be asking, how do I know if I'm on the right path? Well, that's a great question. There are certain signs, waypoints if you will, that can tell you if you're heading in the right direction. These are not grandiose benchmarks, like owning a yacht or a private island, but rather more subtle indicators of sound financial health. So, if you're interested in learning what these signs are and how to recognize them in your own life, you're in the right place. Stick around as we delve into the 10 signs you're on the right track to financial success. Budgeting is like a financial roadmap. It guides you to your destination. Now imagine you're embarking on a road trip. Without a map, you're likely to get lost, waste time, or even run out of gas. That's precisely how it is with budgeting. Without it, you're setting yourself up for financial missteps and needless stress. A budget is more than just numbers on a page. It's a tool that helps you take control of your money. It's a way of ensuring you're not spending more than you earn. And it's a means of setting aside funds for the things that truly matter to you. Think of it as your very own financial blueprint. When you follow a budget, you're making a conscious decision about how you want to spend your hard-earned money. It's your ticket to financial freedom, allowing you to save more, spend wisely, and reach those financial goals you've set for yourself. And here's the kicker. Once you get the hang of it, budgeting can be quite empowering. It's like having a secret weapon that keeps you on track, steering you clear of financial pitfalls. If you're consistently sticking to your budget, congratulations, you've ticked off the first sign of financial success. So keep at it. The journey might be challenging, but the destination is absolutely worth it. Life throws curveballs. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Now let's delve into the importance of maintaining a rainy day fund. This fund acts like an umbrella, shielding you from the financial downpours that unexpected expenses can bring. Imagine your car breaks down, or you suddenly lose your job. These events can create a financial storm, but with an emergency fund you're prepared. This fund is more than just a pool of money. It's your ticket to financial security and peace of mind. It's the warmth of a cozy fire on a cold, rainy day. It's knowing that you can navigate through financial turbulence without sinking into debt. It's the reassurance that unplanned expenses won't derail your journey to financial success. So, how do you know if you're on the right track? Well, if you've got a rainy day fund that can cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses, you're doing fantastic. That's financial prudence in action. Having an emergency fund, that's another sign you're on track. Debt is like a ball and chain. It holds you back. Imagine running a marathon with this ball and chain attached to your ankle. Hard, isn't it? That's exactly what debt does to your financial journey. It slows you down, restricting your financial mobility and freedom. Paying off debt is like breaking free from that heavy iron ball. It allows you to sprint towards your financial goals unimpeded. Every dollar you're not paying in interest is a dollar that can be saved, invested, or spent on the things that truly matter to you. It's like taking a breath of fresh air after being underwater for a long time. Avoiding new debt is equally important. It's like dodging the potholes on the road to financial success. Every time you dodge a new debt, you're keeping your path smooth and your journey swift. Remember, being debt-free doesn't just mean having more money. It means having more choices. It means having the freedom to make decisions based on what you want, not what you owe. If you're managing your debts wisely, you're definitely moving in the right direction. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your income. It's an old saying, but it holds weight, especially in the context of financial success. Picture this. Your income is a sturdy ship, sailing the sometimes turbulent seas of life. Now imagine if that ship had multiple engines, each one chugging away independent of the others. If one engine fails, the others keep pushing forward. That's the power of multiple streams of income. Having more than one income source not only provides a safety net, but it also accelerates wealth accumulation. It's like watering a plant from multiple hoses. It grows faster, stronger. It could be a side job, investments, or even a hobby that you've monetized. The key is to have different avenues that generate income. Think of it as your financial Swiss Army knife, always ready to assist in a pinch. It's a buffer against job loss, unexpected expenses, or economic downturns. It's your financial bodyguard, shielding you from the unpredictable punches that life might throw your way. Multiple income streams? Another sign you're on the path to financial success. Living within your means, it's not about deprivation, it's about financial control. Now, what does it mean to live within your means? Simply put, it's when your income covers all your expenses, with some left over for savings. This is the cornerstone of healthy financial habits, and a signpost on your journey to financial success. Living within your means helps you steer clear of debt. If you're spending more than you're earning, it's like digging a hole that gets deeper and deeper. Before you know it, you're buried in debt, and it's a tough climb out. On the other hand, if you're spending less than you're earning, you're building a ladder that leads to financial freedom. Not only does it prevent debt accumulation, but it also promotes savings. Think of savings like a safety net. If life throws a curveball at you, your savings can cushion the blow. It gives you the freedom to make choices and the confidence to face financial uncertainties. So remember, living within your means isn't about living less. It's about living smart. It's about making conscious decisions and prioritizing your financial health. If you're living within your means, you're definitely on the right track. A good credit score is like a golden ticket. It opens up financial opportunities. This isn't just a fancy phrase, it's a reality. A credit score is essentially your financial report card. And just like in school, you want those grades to be high. Why? Well, a good credit score can impact your life in numerous ways. It can be the deciding factor in whether you get that loan for a new car or house. It can determine whether you're approved for a credit card or not. And it doesn't stop there. Your credit score also influences the interest rates you're offered. A higher score can mean lower interest rates, saving you a pretty penny in the long run. But it's not just about loans and credit cards. A good credit score can also open doors to better insurance premiums, rental opportunities, and even job prospects. Yes, some employers do check credit scores. So how can you maintain a good credit score? It's simple. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and avoid taking on unnecessary debt. Maintaining a good credit score? Another sign of financial success. Setting financial goals is like setting a GPS. It directs you to your financial destination. Picture this, you're embarking on a journey. Would you leave without knowing your destination? Most likely not. The same principle applies to your financial journey. Setting financial goals gives you a clear direction and a destination to work towards. Think of financial goals as your personal milestones, those markers that signify progress on your journey. They can range from saving for retirement, paying off your loans, or perhaps buying your first home. Each goal is a step forward on your path to financial success. But setting goals isn't enough. You need to actively work towards them. It's like having a car with a GPS, but no fuel. Your goals provide motivation, a reason to save that extra dollar, a reason to resist that impulse purchase. Remember, every small step taken is a step closer to your destination. So, are you setting your financial GPS and fueling your journey towards your goals? If yes, then pat yourself on the back. Actively working towards your financial goals, you're definitely on the right track. A positive net worth is a clear indicator that you're moving forward financially. But what exactly does it mean to have a positive net worth? Well, it's pretty simple. Your net worth is the value of what you own. Think assets like your home, car, or savings minus what you owe, such as credit card debt or student loans. When the value of what you own surpasses what you owe, you've achieved a positive net worth. This is a significant milestone on the road to financial success. It represents not just progress but stability. It's the financial equivalent of being able to stand on your own 2 feet. Remember, your net worth isn't just a number. It's a reflection of the choices you've made and the actions you've taken. It's a testament to your ability to save, invest, and most importantly, live within your means. So, if you've got a positive net worth, give yourself a pat on the back. You've made some smart moves. And if you're not quite there yet, don't worry. Keep making those wise financial decisions, and before you know it, you'll be there. A positive net worth? Another sign you're on track to financial success. Financial knowledge is power. It equips you to make smart financial decisions. This journey we've embarked upon is not a one-time trip. It's a continuous quest for knowledge, a never-ending adventure. You see, the financial world is not static. It's dynamic, ever-changing like the seasons. And as it evolves, so must our understanding of it. In this quest, you'll find tools to help you navigate the financial terrain. Tools like books, seminars, podcasts, and online resources. They are your compass, your map, your guide through the wilderness of financial jargon and complex concepts. And with each piece of knowledge you gain, you become better equipped to make informed decisions that can multiply your wealth. But this quest is not just about gaining knowledge. It's about applying what you've learned. It's about understanding the relationship between risk and reward, about knowing when to save and when to invest. It's about growing your wealth, not just for your own benefit, but for those who depend on you. So keep learning, keep questioning, keep exploring, because the more you know, the better you can navigate your financial journey. If you're continuously learning about finances, you're definitely on the right track. So, are you on the right track to financial success? Let's take a moment to reflect on the signs we've discussed. Are you consistently sticking to your budget, ensuring that every dollar has a purpose? Have you built an emergency fund for those unexpected rainy days? Are you living debt-free or actively working towards it, enjoying the freedom that comes with financial independence? Do you have multiple streams of income, diversifying your earnings for stability? Are you living within your means, avoiding the trap of overspending and consumerism? Is your credit score in good standing, reflecting your financial responsibility? Have you set financial goals, and are you actively pursuing them, charting your course towards financial success? Do you have a positive net worth, assets outweighing liabilities? Are you continuously seeking financial knowledge, always learning and growing? If you've been nodding along, congratulations, you're on the right path. If not, don't be disheartened. Use these signs as a guide to improve your financial health. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. Keep setting goals, learning, and moving forward.